Pay no attention to the man behind the curtain. He's a brainless, heartless coward with no power. That's just another trick of his. He ain't no whiz, so don't feed his fire. Jump in my balloon, I'll take you higher. Take you somewhere over the rainbow. Get your ticket to the show. Heels click and here we go. Cause you already know there's no place like there's no place like place like, there's no place like, there's no place like home. It's where the heart is. Some brainiacs will tell you home is where your house and car is. But if you're brave enough to love the ones you hate the hardest, you might find, cause sometimes home is where your deepest scars. Society will try to cast you where they think your part is. Give awards and accolades to what they think a star is. But go find your pay no attention to the lies they try to feed you. It's a wicked, twisted fable. He's not stable. It's just another box of tricks, a crock of shit and good dreams go wasted. Hungry for the fame, don't let him taste it. He's been stealing dreams 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. I'ma tell the story my way, cause the only way home ain't on this yellow brick highway. No place like, there's no place like, there's no place like, there's no place like. And if you're lost out there in the night, wishing on stars, wondering who you are, just know that you're never alone. And there's no place like home. And we gon' fight and we gon' cry, and I'm gon' fight for you until I die. Right there is right where you belong. And there's no place like home. No attention to the man who'll try to change you. He's a dark, familiar stranger, but that's the danger. The storm is strong, but it won't be long. And no matter where you roam, there's no place like home.
Little do you know how I'm breaking while you fall asleep. Little do you know I'm still haunted by the memories. Little do you know I'm trying to pick myself up piece by piece. Little do you know I need a little more time. Underneath it all, I'm held captive by the hole inside. I've been holding back for the fear that you might change your mind. I'm ready to forgive you, but forgetting is a harder fight. A little do you know I need a little more time. felt the pain. Just wait, I love you like I've never been afraid. Just wait, your love is here, is here, so lay your head on me. Always, always, I love you like you never felt the pain. Always, I promise I don't have to be afraid. Always, love is in here, say so. Lay your head on me. Lay your head on me. So lay your head on me. 'Cause little do you know I love it till the sun dies.
I was thinking about you, thinking about me, thinking about us, what we gon' be. Open my eyes, it was only just a dream.
Travel back down that road, will you come back? No one knows. I realize it was only just a dream.
I was at the top and now it's like I'm in the basement. Number one spot, now you found your own replacement. I swear now that I can't take it, knowing somebody's got my baby. Now you ain't around, baby, I can't think. I should've put it down, should've got that ring, 'cause I can still feel it in the air. See your pretty face, run my fingers through your hair. My lover, my life, my baby, my wife. You left me, I'm tired, 'cause I know that it just ain't right.
I was thinking about you, thinking about me, thinking about us, what we gonna be. Open my eyes, it was only just a dream. So I traveled back down that road, will you come back? No one knows. I realized it was only just a dream. Now we're riding, I swear I see your face at every turn. I'm trying to get my usher on, but I can't let it burn. And I just hope you know that you're the only one I yearn for. No one will I be missing when I learn. Didn't give it all my love, I guess now I got my payback. Now I'm in the club thinking all about your baby. Hey, you were so easy to love, but wait, I guess our love wasn't enough. I'm going through it every time that I'm alone, and now I'm wishing that you pick up the phone. But you made a decision that you wanted to move on, 'cause I was wrong. I was thinking about you, thinking about me, thinking about us, what we gonna be. Open my eyes, it was only just a dream. So I tried woke up in despair. I look ahead, beware to find three little ghosts in front of me. I'm scared. I look around to see if anyone else can see, but no one hears my pleas or cares to hear me scream. I doubt that people care, alone and so aware. And now I'm by myself, I'm left with all this pain to bear, with shivers going down my spine and ghosts long gone dead. But then this is what they said.
Don't be afraid, we're the ones who will help you find the way. There's so much to say, but don't be here to stay.
Help me, someone please come and help me. Need somebody to tell me, please, please, what the hell is going on? Crazy, I might be going crazy. Need someone here to tell me, please, please, how do I get along? You're nothing but a waste, you should know your place. Just like those demons in my head, it fills up my brain. All that I'm doing here is begging as I'm trying my best, but it becomes a mess. The fire in my head, it's overwhelming me, but then I cannot flee. I'm stuck here all by myself, alone again it seems, with all this pain inside my head and ghosts long gone dead. But then this is what they said.
Don't be afraid, we're the ones who will help you find the way. There's so much to say, but don't be here to stay.
Help me, someone please come and help me. Need somebody to tell me, please, please, what the hell is going on? Crazy, I might be going crazy. Need someone here to tell me, please, please, how do I get along?
Don't be afraid, we're the ones who will help you find the way. There's so much to say, but don't be here to stay.
Save me, someone please come and save me. Need somebody to tell me, please, please, just how to move on. Crazy, I might be going crazy. Need someone here to tell me, please, please, how do I get along?
So cold, alone. Could you be my blanket? Surround my bones. When my heart feels naked, no strength, too weak. I could use some saving, and your love so strong. Like a pill, I take it, I take it, I take it. Like a pill, your love, I take it, I take it, I take it. Like a pill, your love, I take it. When my world gets loud, could you make it quiet down? When my head, it pounds, could you turn down all the sounds? If I lay in pain by my side, would you stay? If I need you now, Would you kindly calm me down? Would you kindly calm me down? Would you kindly calm me down? When my heart's not pure, would you kill my disease? And when there's no cure, you are just what I need. When I lose my mind, would you still remind me? When I'm feeling lost, would you come and find me? I'd take it, I would take it. I could peel your love, I'd take it, I'd take it, I'd take it. I could peel your love, I'd take it. When my world gets loud, could you make it quiet down? When my head, it pounds, could you turn down all the sounds? If I lay in pain on my side, would you stay? If I need you now, would you kindly calm me down? Oh, would you kindly calm me down? Oh, would you kindly calm me? When my world gets loud, could you make it quiet down? When my head, it pounds, could you turn down all the sounds? If I lay in pain by my side, would you stay? If I need you now, would you kindly calm me down? Get quiet down. My head, it pounds. Could you turn down all the sounds? If I lay in pain by my side, would you stay? If I need you now, would you kindly calm me down, babe? Calm me down, babe. Calm me down, babe. Would you kindly calm me down, babe? Calm me down, babe. Calm me down, babe. Would you kindly calm me down?
They send me away to find them a fortune, a chest filled with diamonds and gold. The house was awake with shadows and monsters. The hallways, they echoed and groaned. I sat alone in bed till the morning. I'm crying, they're coming for me. And I tried to hold these secrets inside me. My mind's like a deadly disease. I'm bigger than my body, I'm colder than this home. I'm meaner than my demons, I'm bigger than these bones. No, they danced around for hours on empty. I jumped at the slightest of sounds. I couldn't stand the person inside me. I turned all the mirrors around. I'm bigger than my body. I'm colder than this home. I'm meaner than my demons. I'm bigger than these bones. And all the kids cried out, please stop, you're scaring me. I can't help this awful energy. Goddamn right, you should be scared of me. Who is in control? I'm well acquainted with villains that live in my bed. They beg me to write them so they'll never die when I'm dead. And I've grown familiar with villains that live in my head. They beg me to write them so I'll never die when I'm dead. I'm bigger than my body. I'm colder than this home. I'm meaner than my demons. I'm bigger than these bones.